Assalamu alaikum. This is Ibrahim Raju from Bangladesh, founder and CEO from Zohantex. Today I will show you some exclusive leggings design for yoga and gym. This is actually best quality in Bangladesh. So we are maintaining the Asian standard measurement. Hopefully, is some product have for European standard measurement, like small to 5XL. So like if waist is 24, it's okay. If waist size is more than 65, then will be fit. So small, medium, large, XL, double XL, 3XL, 4XL and 5XL. This is our regular size. So here we use sublimation print. This is best technology print in old recently. So sublimation print is guaranteed print. With have fabric is 280 GSM, 280 GSM interlock polyester fabric. Here have 95% polyester, 90% polyester and 10% spandex with sublimation print and exclusive sewing. We are providing the sewing guarantee. This stitch is very qualityful stitch. This stitch is very qualityful stitch. And fabric spandex is very spandex. So this is the best quality product ever. So we are providing lots of color. Here I show you some colors. This is the sky blue. This is color. This is pink and purple with combination. Very nice color for women. This is navy and silver is combination. This is flower color. So I show you that this finishing. You just look over the finishing. Here we use 8 inch. Sorry, it's 4 inch. 4 inch waist belt. Without elastic, because of when someone going for yoga and gym, they need to some easy product for blood circulation. That's why we are making very friendly for active wear for yoga and gym. So this is our quality product. For more details, if you wanted to know more details, and if you have any custom design or if you suggest me some design, so please contact with us in WhatsApp, in Messenger or in our website. We are providing you best support from our side. So thank you.